Hello everyone. I'm really happy to see everyone again. Today, as you know probably, I would like to express some thoughts about the preliminary nomination of Judge Kavanaugh as the Supreme Court judge, which preliminary by the votes 51 to 49, Congress agreed on his nomination on Sunday. But I have few thoughts about this process. I understand that kind of decision may seem, especially for women, as a kind of not the right things to do. But let me explain a little bit. I think that this decision should be seen by no means as encouraging for men to act inappropriately or discouraging for women to address these issues when it arises. Indeed, we know that this decision was made upon an investigation that was conducted by the FBI. Another important thing to notice, even if we omit all these legal casuistics about the statute of limitation and that kind of sort, we know that happened 20, 30 years ago, and now these women, potential victims, are started recently make this kind of allegation. I think it's a little bit inopportune moment. I mean, had you had this issue as she complained, she would probably, the right thing would be to go right away to police department and to make complaint. But what was the reason behind this prolonged period of waiting? It's unclear, right? And now it seems like this is political decision was made by this particular woman or another one just to impede or stall the process of the nomination of this particular person. Another thing, the opposite. This kind of thing must encourage women to act according to the law right away when it happens. If it happens, you should act. You should go to the police department and make complaint. Another thing I would like to address. Look, just physically, we have a difference between men and women, right? Man is deemed more physically fit. So this is create the situation when man can dominate over women, and the woman is a subject of inappropriate sexual contact. But let's look at the situation from the other point. Why it's important to make this kind of, if it happens, why it's important to make this claim right away? Because otherwise, every woman may create the situation when almost every man, except those who are devoted as a husband to their families, like me, for instance. But principally, every man could be subject to that kind of situation when woman wants provoking man at some point, just making some. We all know how women can create a situation when man would wish to want her, right? And then waiting for some time when this person becomes famous or wealthy, or for another political reason or for any reason, this information may come up and basically stall or mar the reputation of any person. That's completely inappropriate approach, I would say. This is the second point on this issue. Thank you very much for watching me, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.